Rihanna spends how much to get that glow? $500 for skincare? Girl, is this luxury or a scam? Today we're breaking down Rihanna's viral $500 beauty routine, and I'm giving you 5 must-have dupes that deliver the same glam results without blowing your paycheck. If you've ever felt like celebrity skin is out of reach, this video is your glow-up guide. Stick with me till the end, because the last dupe, it's the exact same formula as a luxury fave. Just wait. If you're craving celeb beauty on a budget, grab your iced coffee and let's get glowing. Let's be real. Every time we scroll, it's another celeb talking about their everyday routine, which somehow totals more than your rent. Rihanna's skincare and makeup lineup? Iconic. But $500 iconic? I tried it once for a week. My skin looked great, sure. But my bank account? Crying in broke girl language. And I thought, there's gotta be a better way. So I started digging. What actually makes Rihanna's routine so expensive? Is it the ingredients? The branding, or just the hype? Let's break it down. Then I'll show you the dupes that give you that Fenty face without the Fenty fortune. Cute branding, luxe feel, but it's $53 for your basic cleanse and tone. Celeb is derm approved, no nonsense, and gives you that silky, clean feeling. The Ordinary, a glow in a bottle. You'll wonder why you ever paid more. Pro tip, use them together at night, and you'll wake up feeling like you just stepped out of a spa. Hydra Visor smells amazing and feels luxe, but if your wallet needs a win, Neutrogena comes through. Lightweight, hydrating, and makeup sits perfectly on top. Bonus, no white cast. Honestly, your skin won't know the difference, but your credit card will. Fenty gives that flawless airbrushed finish, and Maybelline? She's the drugstore queen who's been doing it for years. Buildable, blendable, and 40+ shades? Yep, a no-brainer. Save $27 and still slay, you're welcome. Everyone talks about Gloss Bomb's shine, and yes, it's gorge. But NYX Butter Gloss, same high shine, same juicy look, and at $5 you can get every shade your heart desires. Swipe this on and watch your confidence level go full Rihanna. This is Rihanna's red carpet prep. Microcurrents, LED light, collagen boost, the works. But you don't need a celeb esthetician to get this lift. It's the same science, microcurrents or lymphatic stimulation. A few minutes a day equals tighter skin, more lift, and a glow that screams, just got facials with Rye. Seriously, once you try this, you'll never look at overpriced spa treatments the same again. So, is Rihanna's $500 beauty routine a scam? No. But is it necessary? Absolutely not. You don't need the celeb budget to get the celeb glow. With the right dupes, you're getting powerful ingredients, proven result, and that fresh off the runway look, minus the pain at checkout. You now have your glow-up blueprint. It's not about having Rhee's exact products. It's about finding what works and making it your own. Drop a comment. Which dupe are you most excited to try? Or did I miss one you swear by? I'll be stalking the comments like it's skincare launch day. Until next time, stay radiant, stay glowing, and keep living your best beauty life on a budget.